Hello, Leijing 77. Today I'm gonna show you about pronunciation. In my opinion, okay, mostly Korean people would like to practice in English, speaking in English like native, specific American accent. Even me, I also would like to speak in English as a native, uh, especially American accent. But there are many English accents in the world, so you don't need to practice only American accent. Learning English or English is to communicate with uh, people who live in abroad. So there are many many English accents. American accents also a part of uh, English. So you don't need if you can't speak like some pronunciation in American English accent, you don't need to practice more. Uh, just say clear and slow is better than pretending American accent. For example, mountain, okay. Mountain is also okay. So if you can't pronounce mountain, just you say mountain is okay. So comfortable, okay. Comfortable, okay. Okay, can you understand what I'm saying? Okay. So conclusion, um, English, uh, important thing is communication. Okay, not how my how I can pronounce like a native. Okay. Okay. See you later. Bye.